Hey guys, I just wanted to do this quick little update since Fusion changed their personal, not for commercial use license and see what the difference is in the cam side of things. Made this part a few days ago in preparation, just a simple little ridiculous part that would possibly be never made because that's weird, but I wanted something to break up and give me some some rapids in here instead of just straight feed rates all the way through. And by the way, this part isn't very big at only 3 inches in X, 1.5 inches in Y, inch in Z, so it's not like it's really traveling very far. But if we break this down, the feed distance of 1.4 inches total time 16 seconds. Here's your rapid distance, 6.69 inches total. But as you can see, it's giving me the higher rapid feeds. So, which is interesting. My understanding was that was going away today. So maybe that's something they're pushing back till January. What I'm going to do now is export this. Now let's see what our options are here. We have the preferred Fusion F3D file. We still have our IGS, SAT files, SMT files, and step files. They did say that they were leaving this in the upcoming changes, so everybody can take a breather on that one, but I want to save it as a Fusion file because I'm bringing it back into Fusion. Alright, and here's the other thing that they were supposed to do, is break up your ability to do tool changes. Okay, that all looks doable. And it posted out. And there's our 3 tools. We're going to find a tool change. There it is. Yep, it changes tools. No problem. Still allowing us to post out in the personal version. But as you can see, it's still letting us G0. And then dropping it back down to the G1 feed rate. So rapids are still working. Maybe it's a January update. We'll see. Y'all have a go.